Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a closure install on my friend right here. I don't know how many braids I did, but I did a few small braids, and now I'm brushing back the edges, her edges, and oiling her scalp, and then I'm going to be putting the ball cap on her. I am going to be doing, I'm going to place the closure wig in the middle, but I'm going to be doing a side part. Right now, I am sewing the back of her wig down so it won't go flying everywhere and it will be stuck to the back of her head. And the cardboard that be inside the ball cap packaging, I use that and I put makeup swatches on it so I can float it up to my client's skin and figure out what their makeup shade is. I will pick like two that looks the closest and then I'll wipe it on their forehead to make sure it looks perfect. But as you can see, I'm doing that right now. But her closure is a little darker. So I put like a lighter foundation on her actual closure because it's going to like tone down the darkness just a little bit. Mostly only use boho products, so I use the liquid gold to secure down the cap, and then I use the skin guard and wrapped it around her forehead, and then I'm going to use the boho active glue. But right now I am marking an outline on her forehead so I can know where the glue goes, so I won't put the glue anywhere else except for behind the line. But I use 4 layers of the boho active, And then I'm still new to doing wigs, so I've learned that you're not supposed to do a lot of, not a lot, you're not supposed to put on a lot of glue on like very, 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 very thick layers. So I've learned from the creator of Boho. She has YouTube videos on tutorials on how to apply the glue. I learned to put it on a stick, and not stick, yeah, popsicle stick, and then wipe it on the forehead, and that's going to be easier to apply thin layers. But after I did that, I blow dried it on cool hair. Don't use cool hair. Wow, cool air. Don't use hot air. Use cool air, and then I put the lace on the glue. Before I put the elastic band on her, I'm going to take out the baby hairs and then part her hair, and then spray it with the Boho Skin Guard again all around the perimeter of the lace. And then I'm going to tie her hair down really tight so it can really melt in. And then I'm going to take some mousse and mold down the hair so it can stay flat. And then, this is new, I just learned how to do this, but I put a ball cap back over her head, and then I let it dry. Either let it air dry or blow dry, it depends. And that makes it really, really, really flat. I learned it off of TikTok. I don't remember from where, but I'm going to start using that now. And then I still use the hot comb. I still put the wax stick on and then hot comb it. And then after that, I'm going to add some curls and then do the baby hairs. I tried to record the baby hairs, but my phone kept running out of storage, so it kept deleting. I'm going to make a more detailed videos on baby hairs later, but yeah. Now I'm doing the finishing touches. I put concealer on the part, and there is a balding spot on her lace, so I used I forgot what it's called, but it's black dye, and I put on the part. And this is what her hair looks like. She's being the lovely model that she is. Well, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my hair page, my Instagram, and my TikTok. Bye.